The definition of geothermal energy is the thermal energy generated and stored in the earth, while thermal energy only measures the energy that determines the temperature of certain matter. Geothermal energy was first harnessed in 1904 by an Italian scientist named Piero Giorni Conti. He was the first one to invent a geothermal power plant, which used steam to generate power. In order to harness geothermal energy, wells are dug into the Earth's crust to get access to superheated water found underground. Superheated water is water that is under so much pressure from the Earth, it can't turn to steam and stays in its liquid form past the boiling point. Once the wells reach the water, and the water is exposed to air, it's relieved from the pressure and turns to steam. The steam has enough force to continuously push towards a turbine. The turbine spins and generates electrical power. There are three different kinds of geothermal plants: dry steam plants, flash steam plants, and binary steam plants. They all use different methods of doing so, except they all use steam to turn a turbine and create electrical power. A few pros of using geothermal energy is that it is relatively environmentally friendly, and it's not a source of pollution. It's very efficient and doesn't require much maintenance to keep going. Geothermal energy is also a renewable resource as long as the Earth exists, because the Earth has to generate heat from magma in order to keep living.
A few cons of using geothermal energy is that electricity is still needed to use the heat pumps that still generate electricity, and geothermal energy uses wells to access water, and that uses a lot of the stores of water in the Earth. Geothermal energy also costs a lot to set up, and it is a limited resource in one spot. However, it is renewable. The impact that geothermal energy has on the environment is that it still releases greenhouse gases that were trapped in the Earth's core, such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, methane, and ammonia. These emissions are lower than those associated with the use of fossil fuels, but even though it may be smaller, it is still not insignificant. Geothermal energy is most popular in areas near volcanoes for obvious reasons: the heat. It also produces little waste, but can be noisy on a very large scale.